Welcome back to the CryptoLabs Passive Income YouTube channel. I will expose how these scams work. I'm going to show you behind the scenes because I've been getting messages from this project. Could have made $14,000. So anyone who's promoting this, $14,000, $14,000, $14,000, $14,000, and they know it's a scam. Now, if you want to play that game, play it. Like, fine, I understand. You get paid by referrals and you monetize your channel by doing so, but I want to show you how this works. I'm going to pull up my phone here. Here's the messages I got, and we're going to break down ultimately the dollars they offer you. I don't think this thing will last the 30 days because of how it's structured. But anyways, you can be the judge. You can be the judge. And again, this is kind of how you see it. And then it launches, and we'll see a lot of this Tikaist on YouTube. So here's, hello, I've been following your channel for a long time. That's false. They didn't do any research on me because they knew I'd be like, dude, this is a joke. I have an investment project, I'd like you to promote. It has a MSB financial license. Of course, you can read through this. It's not worth reading through because it's fake. Didn't really answer because I don't care. Finally said, I can pay you $1,000 and open the robot with a deposit of $6,000 for you. So they'd give me $1,000 up front. They'd fund my account with $6,000. So right here, you can see you can make $222 per day. This is how it works. We'll fund your deposit with $6,000. You'll get paid $222 every day for up to 30 days. At the end of 30 days, you can also withdraw your deposit. So that's $6,000 up front. That's $222 times 30, which is $6,660. Plus the $1,000 is almost $14,000. And then obviously, and they always do the same thing. They'll start sending the other YouTubers that are covering it. Whatever you want to do, dude, I don't care. I'm just saying this is wrong. This is wrong and you know it. I don't care if you start the video with, hey, I'm getting paid and I'm being covered for this. Show the behind the scenes. Because this is not going to last and a lot of people are going to lose a lot of money. Now, this is such a straight up scam. This isn't even like well put together. Anyone who's been in this space for more than, I don't care, 6 months would know this is a scam. This is wrong. You do what you want to do, but it's wrong. And so anyone who's on this channel, please stay away from this. You've seen behind the scenes on how this works. And that's that. I mean, if you choose to play it, that's cool. Go play it. YouTubers are covering it. So just click on someone's link, get them some money, you get in there, and maybe you'll come out on top, but 95% of people are going to lose. And with how much money they're giving up front, basically they're promising, like they're putting $6,000 deposits for everyone. That's a lot of money to pay out, and it's all going to go get paid out, on the same day because all these guys have been promised that. That's a lot of money to pay out for a project like this. That's like scamming people to put money together. So I don't see this lasting 30 days. I don't see these guys getting there. They might get the $222 out every day, but I don't see them getting their $6,000 deposit out that they got gifted. So I don't see this project lasting more than 30 days. And that's that. If you are a project that reaches out to me, make sure you're high quality. I'm still probably not going to cover you, but there have been some individuals that were like, yo, come into our community. We'll interview you live. You've got to be doxxed. You've got to show your face. But we're still not sharing referral links, even to projects we now like and teams we like. There's no referral links. I just made that the rule. I think that's the fairest way to do it. Now, if you monetize off referral links, that's your business, not mine. But I don't feel good doing that. Played that game a long time ago, and I realized this is a win-lose game. Most people are going to lose, and I just no longer feel good doing that. That said, if you're a team who's going to reach out, study this channel, make sure you're high quality, because high quality, awesome. I'm all for it. I'm excited for that. I love high quality. We just had Aperture on a podcast, and like the stuff they're building, the stuff they're doing, high quality. This shit, crap. So that's that. I had to do this. I had to. Because enough is enough, and it's literally getting so out of freaking control. And I know how many people are clicking on this stuff, and click on it. Please just fully know what you're doing, and I had to show the behind the scenes. So with that said, have an awesome day. True DeFi, real DeFi, stick to that. No more of this ROI crap, DApp stuff. Stick to true DeFi. Remember, these people are getting paid out up to $14,000, which I don't think they're going to get the full amount. Remember that. And then make your decision based on that. Do you think that's right? Do you think it's wrong? I don't care what you decide. Just have that information and then make decisions from there. That's my time. If you're more into the real DeFi, true DeFi, you're done and sick with the ROI Dapps stuff, you want a real education and really understand how decentralized finance, not this stuff, works, then subscribe to this channel. Check out some of these videos. Maybe I'll move my little mug in the middle, and we're going to bring up some videos here and here and here and here. Stay aware of what is going on out there and play the game according to collecting as much information as you can and make your decisions from there. So hopefully this gave you some information. With that said, I'm going to get out of here. Appreciate you. Peace.